Ever thought about earning extra income by just sharing a link? Let me introduce you to something amazing.
The Temu Affiliate Program!
Wow! So baby, take it away.
Temu is this awesome online shopping platform that has everything in it, from fashion to gadgets. And guess what? They're offering up to
30% commission on sales.
that is made through from your referral link.
And joining is super easy. First, download the Temu app.
Sign up and navigate to the affiliate program.
Fill out the application form.
Once approved, start sharing your referral link.
Kaya kung ako sa inyo,
Simulan mo na!
Para sumakses na rin kayo. And fun fact, alam niyo ba maraming countries na yung sumali dito? Ilan nga, baby?
77 countries!
Kaya kung ako sa inyo, sumali na rin kayo doon, be one of them. So if gusto mo sumali sa Temu Affiliate Program, click the link in my bio and use my referral code para maka-join kayo. Yan lang!
Bye-bye!